Welcome. In front of me I have MediaTek MT867 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout settings on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button, then swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Here scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on this option, screen timeout, the one below the rise to wake. And now we can select the desired duration by tapping on one. We have options like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, and 10 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds. Let me wake up the screen, 10 seconds. And now my screen will turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity, automatically of course. And that's how you change the screen timeout settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.